Hey family, welcome to the Real Education YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to reverse money on Capitec bank application. First of all, go to the Play Store or App Store, download the Capitec mobile banking app. Tap on the install icon and wait for a while. After installing the application, open the app and interface will be look like this. They will ask you to register for application, so complete your registration process. So let me complete my registration process first of all. So after completing your registration process, the interface will be look like this. I hide my all details due to privacy issue. So now friends, go to the bottom and in the bottom you will find this type of interface. Here is option of the home icon, cards, transact, message and the explore. So we have to click on the transact option. Friends, if you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now we need to scroll down our screen. Scroll down your screen. So finally in the bottom you will find here the debit orders option. So we just need to select this. So now your history and the debit check has been opened successfully. We just need to select a transaction for the dispute. So I'm going to select my recent transaction. So as we can see here, your description, amount, from account and the transact date has been mentioned at here. And I am requesting to you, please hit the like button. And as we can see here, is the option of the dispute. So we just need to select the dispute icon. So after that, they will ask you to select a reason. You just need to select a valid reason and their team will be review your transaction. If they approve it, then your money will be refunded. And here is an important note mentioned at here. If your transaction amount is less than 400 bucks, then you can dispute in the application, and if more than this, then you just need to go to the branch, and dispute should be for valid reason. So thanks for watching Real Education. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.